Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. Do you want to know a simple secret to manifest your desires? Sigil magic is easy, powerful, and anyone can do it, even if you're new to magic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your own sigils, step by step. A sigil is just a symbol you create from your intention, and it helps your desires become real. I'll guide you through making your first sigil and how to activate it, even if you've never done magic before. Let's start. Sigil magic has a fascinating history that stretches back hundreds of years. It began long ago, rooted in ancient civilizations that believed symbols held incredible power. Sigils started as special symbols designed to hold magical energy or represent spiritual beings. In the Middle Ages, magicians and alchemists used sigils to invoke angels, spirits, and powerful forces. Famous magical texts like the Lesser Key of Solomon featured complex sigils, each tied to specific entities. These symbols weren't just drawings, they were believed to capture the very essence of these beings, giving magicians the ability to communicate and work with them. Sigil magic, as we know it today, was revolutionized by an English artist and magician named Austin Osman Spare in the early 20th century. Spare believed that magic should be simple, accessible, and personal. He introduced the idea that anyone could create their own sigils based on their own desires and intentions. His methods were straightforward and powerful, stripping away complicated rituals and lengthy preparations. Spare taught that the true magic of sigils comes from the subconscious mind. By creating a unique symbol, you imprint your intention deep within your mind, helping to manifest your desires in the real world. Sigils became a core practice within chaos magic, a modern magical tradition emphasizing personal experience and practical results over strict beliefs or complex rituals. Today, sigil magic is more popular than ever. It's used by witches, magicians, and even people who have never tried magic before. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a favorite method for manifesting goals, improving life circumstances, and personal empowerment. Whether you're seeking prosperity, love, health, or protection, sigils offer a creative and personal way to make magic a real and meaningful part of your life. The practice continues to grow and evolve, inviting everyone to become their own magician, using symbols to shape their reality and reach their dreams. How to create your first sigil? Creating your first sigil is very easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Sigils are powerful symbols that help you manifest your desire by sending clear messages to your subconscious mind. Don't worry, it's simple and fun. The first step in creating a sigil is to choose your intention. First, clearly decide what you want your sigil to help you achieve. Keep it simple and positive. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," say, "I am calm and relaxed." Good examples of clear intentions could be, "I am confident at work," "I am attracting prosperity," "I sleep peacefully at night." Now, the next step is to simplify your intention. Write down your intention clearly on paper. Then, remove all vowels and any letters that repeat. For example, your intention may sound like this: "I am confident." If you remove vowels and duplicates, you're left with these letters, as you can see on the screen right now. The next step is to start designing your sigil. And for that, just take the letters you've collected and draw them together to form a unique symbol. Be creative and play around with shapes until it looks good to you. You can rearrange, overlap, rotate, or resize the letters however you like. Remember, there's no wrong way to do this, so trust your intuition and have fun. You might end up creating something simple or something more artistic. It's completely up to you. Just make sure it feels right. Another method that I've seen other people are using it is the wheel method, and this one is super easy as well, but helps to create a more interesting design. For this as well, you have to write down your intention, remove vowels and duplicates like before, and then draw your letters on this wheel. Connect each letter with a line, creating a symbol. This creates a super interesting design. When you feel happy with the symbol you've created, your sigil is complete. Now you have your personalized magical symbol. The next steps are charging and activating your sigil, which we will cover next. Let's dive deeper into understanding your subconscious mind, because this is the true power behind sigil magic. Your subconscious is a hidden part of your mind. It holds your beliefs, fears, dreams, and all your memories. It's like a big storage place inside you, keeping all the experiences you've ever had. It's always awake, even when you're asleep. While your conscious mind, the part that thinks, reasons, and makes decisions, can handle only a few things at a time. Your subconscious manages everything else automatically, silently guiding your actions and feelings. But here's what's really important. Your subconscious doesn't understand words like your conscious mind does. Instead, it communicates through symbols, images, feelings, and emotions. That's why dreams often feel strange or symbolic. They're messages from your subconscious mind, speaking the language it naturally uses. Now, let's understand, why does sigil magic work with the subconscious? When you create a sigil, you're translating your intention, your wish, into a visual symbol. Your subconscious understands these symbols easily. By turning your desire into a simple image or symbol, you speak directly to your subconscious. This helps your mind clearly know what you really want. When you charge or activate your sigil, like focusing intensely on it during meditation, chanting, dancing, or visualizing it at moments of peak emotion, you're sending this clear message deep into your subconscious mind. After this happens, your subconscious starts quietly working to make your intention real. It guides your daily decisions, emotions, and actions without you even realizing it. You become subtly guided toward opportunities that match your intention. For example, if your sigil was designed to help you become more confident, your subconscious might gently encourage you to speak up more, take risks, or try new things without you even realizing it. Why sigils are so powerful for communicating with your subconscious? Your subconscious mind loves simplicity and symbols. Words often carry confusion or doubt. For example, if you say, "I am wealthy," your conscious mind might quickly argue, "But I have bills to pay," creating doubt and blocking manifestation. But with sigils, your intention is hidden inside a simple symbol. Your conscious mind doesn't directly interfere because it doesn't recognize the intention clearly anymore. This helps your subconscious absorb the pure message without resistance or second guessing. Your subconscious is incredibly powerful, and now you're learning how to truly communicate with it. How to activate and charge your sigil. Now that you've created your sigil, the next step is to activate and charge it. Think of this as giving your sigil the power it needs to work with your subconscious mind. Without activation, your sigil is just a drawing. But once activated, it becomes a powerful message ready to manifest your intention. Here's a clear and simple step-by-step process to charge and activate your sigil. Step 1. Choose your charging method. There are many ways to charge your sigil. The main idea is to create a moment of strong emotion or energy to imprint the sigil deeply into your subconscious mind. Here are some easy and effective methods: meditation, visualization, chanting, repeating your intention or a mantra, dance or physical movement, burning the sigil safely on paper, visualization at moments of strong emotion, happiness, excitement, even laughter. I mean, you can pick any method that feels natural or comfortable for you. Step 2. Prepare your mind. Quick meditation. It's important to clear your mind and relax. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and take slow, deep breaths. Imagine a warm, gentle light filling your body as you breathe in. Let worries drift away as you breathe out. Doing this for just a few minutes puts you in the perfect state to clearly send your intention to your subconscious mind. Step 3. Charge and activate your sigil. Now let's look at a few simple, beginner-friendly ways to activate your sigil. One good method is visualization and breath. Hold your sigil in your hands or place it in front of you. Close your eyes and imagine your intention clearly as if it's already happening. Open your eyes and stare at your sigil while taking a deep breath in. Visualize the energy of your intention flowing from your heart and hands into the sigil, filling it with powerful energy. Breathe out slowly, releasing your intention into the sigil, knowing that it's now charged. Now, let's look at the candle method. Light a candle. White is best for beginners. Hold your sigil in front of the candle flame and stare at your symbol gently. Visualize the flame filling the sigil with powerful energy. Clearly say or think your intention one final time. You can then safely burn the sigil to release it or just hide it away. Another method to charge your sigil is to do it at a peak emotional state, and for that you can do the following. Place the sigil in front of you. Do something that creates strong feelings. Dance, jump around, laugh, or spin until you're excited and energized. At the peak of your excitement, stare at your sigil or imagine it clearly in your mind. Feel your energy pouring into the sigil, charging it. Then put the sigil away and completely relax. Another good method to charge a sigil is chanting. Repeat your intention or a short mantra multiple times. As you chant, stare at your sigil. Feel your voice vibrating and infusing your sigil with energy. After chanting, take a deep breath and put the sigil away calmly. Now that you've learned how to create, charge, and activate your sigil, let's talk about easy and practical ways to use sigils in your daily life. Sigils are powerful tools because they're so simple, versatile, and personal. Here are some practical ideas you can start using today. You can draw a sigil for protection from negative influences, for example. And you can even place this protective sigil under your doormat or behind your front door to protect your home and family. If you're working on a goal or want to attract abundance, you can easily integrate sigils into your work or creative spaces. Create a sigil for prosperity and put a sigil inside your wallet or purse to invite money and prosperity. You can use sigils to improve your health or emotional balance. Draw your sigil on your water bottle or mug to infuse positivity into what you drink. Keep your sigil next to your bed or under your pillow to enhance sleep quality and overall wellness. You can use sigils to improve relationships, friendships, or attract new connections. Place your sigil near a family photo or carry it in your pocket to deepen relationships or attract love. Sigils don't always have to be physical, they can be digital too. Set your sigil as your phone wallpaper or computer background so your subconscious sees it often. Common beginner mistakes in Sigil Magic and how to avoid them. When you're just starting with Sigil Magic, it's natural to encounter a few challenges or make some mistakes. Let's go through the most common beginner mistakes clearly and simply, so you know exactly how to avoid them. This way you'll get the best results quickly and easily. Mistake 1. Creating unclear or negative intentions. Your subconscious mind loves clarity and positivity. If your intention is confusing or negative, your subconscious might struggle to bring positive results. How to avoid this? Always frame your intentions positively. Be clear, simple, and direct with your wording. For example, say, I am healthy, instead of, I don't want to get sick. Mistake 2. Overcomplicating your sigil design. If your sigil is overly complicated or difficult to visualize, your subconscious may have trouble clearly understanding your intention. How to avoid this? Keep your sigil simple and easy to remember. You don't need fancy artistic skills. Just combine letters or shapes until the sigil feels right to you. Mistake 3. Not fully activating or charging your sigil. If you skip the activation or rush through it, your sigil remains just a drawing without power. How to avoid this? Make activation meaningful. Use visualization, candle flame, chanting, meditation, or even dance to charge your sigil properly. Feel genuine excitement, emotion, or focus during activation. Mistake 4. Holding on too tightly, not letting go. When you constantly worry or think about your sigil after activation, you create resistance. Your subconscious mind prefers space and freedom to work. How to avoid this? Once your sigil is charged and activated, put it away. Trust the process. Let your subconscious handle it without trying to control exactly how and when your intention will manifest. Mistake 5. Doubting your sigil magic. Doubt creates internal blocks that slow down or stop your intention from manifesting. How to avoid this? Start small, make sigils for simple desires first. Like try to manifest an orange ball, let's say, and build your confidence through early successes. Start with a small intent first, and then as you see and understand more and more how this works, jump into bigger desires. Mistake 6. Being impatient. Impatience creates anxiety and interferes with your subconscious mind's ability to deliver your intention. How to avoid this? After activating your sigil, shift your focus to other activities or goals. Trust that things are happening behind the scenes, even if you can't see immediate results. By following these easy steps, you're well on your way to manifesting positive changes and creating real magic in your daily life. Remember, sigil magic is simple but powerful. The more you practice, the stronger your connection becomes with your subconscious mind. Trust yourself, stay open-minded, and keep having fun with your practice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments.